Live. My name is Sandy. I'm a socially branded and I'm a social media coach to small business owners. All right, so let's jump in. Last week, I talked about the pressure that you might be feeling of accepting people on your personal Facebook profile that are business acquaintances. I also gave you like step-by-step instructions on how to use Facebook Messenger and take leadership and try to lead them over to your business page. I gave you freedom of choice. You do what you want. This is your page. If you want to keep it private, keep it private. If you want to go ahead and accept business connections, go ahead and accept business connections, okay? So if you missed the training video, go back to last Monday, March 2nd, 2020, and watch the replay of that, because that's what I'm gonna talk about today really stems from where I was last week, okay? So today I am talking to the person who has decided to be able to, that has decided to connect with those business connections on the personal Facebook profile, okay? So, last week I taught you guys how to categorize your friends in the friends list. So let's kind of repeat that a little bit and just say, so for today, that's what I'm talking about, okay? So on your personal Facebook profile, you're going to go to your feed, which is the place where you follow people and their posts come up. On the left-hand side, there's a column, and the column has a bunch of tabs in it. I want you to tap on the tab called Friends List, and that will open up those lists that Facebook has populated for you and that you have created. Hopefully last week you did go ahead and create a list called Business Connections, because that's where we're going to talk from today. Okay, so let's just say you did that. You started putting in your business connections, and now you're at this list. So the list is opened up, business connections. What you see is a feed. It's a personal feed of just the people in the business connection. So whomever you put into that group, they are listed on the right-hand side. You can see their little circle profile pictures, and you can see their names, and you'll see how many people are in that group, but only the posts of the people that are listed there are going to be seen in this feed. Now, the best thing about this, one of the best things, is that you can post in this group of friends, okay, this friends list, and your post will only be seen by the people in this list. This is awesome, like just total customization, you guys. This makes me so happy because, like I said, you've connected with these people for business connections. So you want to still be able to give them value and invite them to your events and workshops and, sales and all of that good things, because, you want to get to know them. You want to build that relationship. You want them to know what you do so that they could either use you or refer you out. So without that, hey Cheryl, with that, I should say, this is a great place to really communicate with that group. Now I'm going to go into the strategy in a second, but the second reason that I really like this is that you can use this place to engage with those same people. So this is where the strategy starts, okay? So you're in this friends list and you're posting. Now, I would say that I would give value very consistently, and then ask for, not ask, but just kind of get in there and also promote. Okay, so now the strategy is to get in there and post value. So you want to post value. And now I'm not saying to get in there every single day, but I do get in there consistently so that it's popping up in their feed. They see me sharing good stuff. They also get to know me by what I share, right? So they see that. And so I'm posting that. But then when it comes down time to promote my event, like my SIP socials, to promote my workshops, I will then go ahead and promote them. We are, however, connected for business purposes, right? So why not use the strategy? So the second part of that strategy is you need to engage with these people. So basically, it's just like having a strategy on your business page, Instagram account, LinkedIn account, but just here on your personal profile, because you've decided to connect with people for business reasons here. It's like Gary Vaynerchuk's jab, 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 right hook, value, 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 promote. Okay. And that, just like I said, gets you in front of, it's more exposure. But the best thing is that you will see their posts and you can go in and engage with them as well. And that's super important for brand awareness, and for building the relationships you said you wanted to build with them, when you accepted them as a friend on your personal page. So this is just another another way, almost like another platform, a group. It's like your own private Facebook group almost, with the people that you are connecting with, either at networking meetings or events or anywhere. You don't have to create extra content for this value that you want to deliver. Just repurpose what you've used on your business pages, your business accounts, elsewhere. They may be seeing it elsewhere, but that's okay. That's totally fine. So that is it. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching live and on the replay. And if you've missed last week's video because you're a little confused about what went on today, make sure you go back to March 2nd, 2020 and watch the replay of that. It might be like 7 minutes, and that will help you understand what I've just gone through today. If you have any questions, feel free to connect with me. Ask questions in the comments. It will help everyone because a lot of people have the same questions as you. And that's it. Don't be busy today. It is Monday. Be productive, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye now.